What is good, everybody? Today we are going to learn how to use the app Telegram Messenger. This app has actually been my favorite app over Instagram, and I know that sounds crazy. Telegram is getting connected with your online family. But with Telegram, you can get connected with your squad, your team, your group chats, and hold everybody accountable and hold everybody to a new level of massive growth. So I'm gonna go to this app and we're gonna start off with settings, okay? So first things first is I would change your first name to your Instagram. So I changed my first name to Instagram. The bio, I put all my other social medias, my YouTube, my Snapchat, my Facebook. I got my number there, right? And I changed my username to it's already done because it's already done. Then you're gonna go to appearance, and appearance is lit because this is what your phone probably looks like, but you can change it, and you can change it to tinted night. You can change it to night mode, day mode, right? So I really like the tinted night, and then you can change the colors. If I want it blue, if I want it green, if I wanted, another color, I can just do this. It's fire. So you can decide whatever one that you like. I personally like the red. Then go to chat background, and this is very cool because you can choose from all of your photos. Let's say if I wanted to put this flyer, right? This is just an example. If I go to the chats now, it's in my background. Obviously, it doesn't look that great. So I'm gonna go back to appearance. I'm gonna go to chat background, and I'm gonna change it to our family logo. Now, you can change the text size as well. If you wanna see it a little bit bigger, if you wanna see it a little bit smaller. Next, you could change the app icon, and this is pretty cool because this is how it originally looks. And if I go like that, see, that's the original app. But if I change it to Classic X, now it looks like that. Now we're gonna go to contacts. These are all the contacts in your phone that have Telegram. And what's kind of cool is you can hold people accountable and see who's been active, in the last few minutes, right? All of these people have been active in the last 10 minutes, right? And you could see who hasn't been active in months, right? So that's really cool with the contacts. Now you can also make phone calls. If I want to call somebody, I could call anybody who has Telegram. I can reach out to them, text them, or call them through there. Now I'm gonna go to the chats. If I wanna make a new chat, I go here, I go to new group, and then I add the people in the chat. I go next, I can name the group. I could set up a group photo, maybe a nice logo, and boom, all right? If I wanna make a channel, now a channel is where you post information in there and anybody can see it, but they can't reply. It's not like a group chat. So what's kind of cool with the channel is, I'll give you an example. I have my own channel where I'm the only one that can drop the information, or I can make somebody an admin and they can drop the information as well. You can use either a channel or a group chat. I'm gonna show you guys what is the biggest key to Telegram is actually welcoming people, okay? This is how you welcome people. I wouldn't text, I would drop a voice welcome, and as you can see on the bottom right side of my screen, I can hold it down. It's not gonna let me record because I'm on Zoom, but you either drop a voice welcome with the microphone. If I hit the microphone once, now I can do a video. And it's not gonna let me record the video because I'm on Zoom. Now, if I click the icon next to the camera, I can drop stickers, I can do GIFs, I can have fun, I can search up, anything that I want. If I wanna look up celebrate, see, now the GIFs are gonna come up and you can add emotion into your chat. You have, sticker settings all the way to the left. Now you can either drop a video, you can drop a photo, you can do a poll. Very, very cool stuff on Telegram, everybody. I'm telling you, this app is a game changer. Now, I'm gonna click on the top right, okay? I click on the top right. On the top right, you can now edit your bio, and you can, put some information, for your chat in the bio. You can have a link where you can send it out to people. If people click on the link, they can join it. And then here's the best part. You click on shared media. If you go to shared media, you can see all of the videos, all of the photos that have been dropped in the past months, you know, depending on how long the chat has been around, right? People posting value day in and day out. There is documents. There is links for, you know, YouTube, for Zoom calls, for Instagram, and audios as well. So shared media is really great to leverage because you can show people like, yo, this is crazy. Like, you know, we're providing so much value. You know, you can see that there are so many people doing this. There's so many people living life, you know, dropping amazing, amazing value. So shared media is major key, right? If you go to the chat, you can see who's active. If you want to make somebody an admin, you go to the top right, you go to edit, you go to administrators, and then you can add somebody to be an admin, okay? Just like that. Never stop using this app. I honestly recommend to use this app every 15 minutes. Stay in touch with your team, stay in touch with your family. The most important thing with Telegram is staying in communication with everybody and holding everybody accountable. So make your group chats, show love, welcome new people every day, and really, really use Telegram more than you use Instagram because that is your family. So thank you so much, everybody, for tuning into this video. You just learned how to use Telegram and take this app to the next level.